Hey y'all, it's Kevin here. Today I have another review for you. It is a wireless charging cell phone mount for your car. This is the brand. It is by CNSL. This is the box it came with. The model is CO5, which I'll include a link down below if you want to check this product out on Amazon and see if it's a right fit for you. But it is very utilitarian. We'll go into the product here shortly, but it is, like I said, it's wireless charging. It has RFID reading technology, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's a great little product. So this is the box that it comes with. You also get inside the box its little 1-year warranty card, and then a user manual if you need that. So now there's two mounting options it comes with. You can mount it with a vent clip, which you just push down on this and slide that onto your vent. Pretty straightforward. Or you can use the mounting arm, which has down here a sticky kind of bottom, and then in the inside here is a tab that you pull that activates the suction. The arm is very adjustable, giving you lots of options. So the knob down here lets you rotate it. And then you have another knob here which lets you extend the arm depending on what you need. And then the little ball bearing here, you rotate this and it lets you adjust the actual unit itself. So let's kind of get into the unit. Like I said, it's very utilitarian. It's not the most attractive product out there on the market, but it's performed very well. It's built very solid. So that I do like, because some of the other ones I've had that are more attractive, after a while they break or they get a little flimsy. And it feels a lot more solid. So on the back here is a button, and that controls this little trap door here, which is very adjustable depending on how tall your phone is, to make sure that the wireless pad is on this part right here. Now this is a sensor, so it sees you approaching it, and then it knows to close the arms. There's a little silver button here on the side that's what you just tap. It's a touch sensor, and that opens the arms. And then there's a little light here that glows green or red depending on whether it's activated and charging. Now, this is the first cell phone card reader that I have done that has a Type-C connection, which is really awesome. I'm glad that this brand jumped on and all the cables are going to this Type-C. So if you have a newer cell phone, or if you plan to upgrade down the road, you'll be able to use this cable for other things, of course, unless you're an Apple user who there's own little cable. But it's, like I said, it's been a great product. I'm very happy with it. It has lots of different angles to get it set up to however you need in your car. If you're looking for a great gift, I highly recommend it coming this holiday season. But check it out below. Feel free to hit me up on the comment section. I'm more than happy to respond and answer any of your questions. And until the next review, you guys take it easy, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.